Name is Ray Pollard. My current project, my idea is have a forklift safety system, recording and safety system. And I want to use AI to annotate the videos and flag the videos for review by if there's a danger for an accident or a danger that it detects, and flag it for administrative review. With the things I've learned and the exercises I've done so far, I think I can probably work through it with a little bit of coaching. Caught up on the lectures, done a lot of the exercises. I'm getting a pretty good grasp on it. I have learned a lot. Like, it's been working through it, and yeah. Feel I've learned a lot. I do enjoy the exercises in the project, like a little bit of humor in it, which is fun sometimes. So kind of like playing a game. Before the cohort started, as far as AI went, I was just using AI to prompt and kind of really strong search engine mostly. And I use things like Cloud Code and Cursor to help augment my code and help me code. But now with the AI Bootcamp, I've actually learned a lot more on how to prompt the AI and make it do what I want and how to make it behave. And there's so much more that I'm just scratching the surface of. I know because I haven't done all the exercises. I haven't actually put it into practice yet. But I know that there's a lot of information here that's definitely to consider. I didn't really have so much of a challenge before AI. I just didn't really understand it. It was like pretty much a black box to me. And I know with conversations that I've had with my colleagues and my team and things like that, just seeing the way the future is going, it's like we need to get in on this and figure it out. And then also the biggest challenge before that is like we've tried hiring on AI consultants without hiring on a full engineer to bring them on staff or something like that. And the consultants' prices are just insane, so you might as well hire an engineer. Like the AI project that we pitched for the AI consultant, they were going to give us a pilot. It was like a fraction of what the cost we could come to. Schedule and content's really good as far as the lectures. You do 2 a day, like in the day early and then really late. Late one's free, late for me, anyways. And then the Q&As, I haven't really been to too many of them, but that seems like pretty good. See, content's pretty good. I'd recommend anybody join it. Make sure they get there on time and don't join late. But it's still a little hard to catch up. I just don't do AI. But I do all kinds of like bespoke applications. That's what I build for these warehouse companies and things like that. I had one just take off. Everything's always like specific to a customer and kind of hard to scale it. I have a bunch of ideas, but I feel like these two, like the two vision ones are the road that I would want to go down, and it checks enough boxes that if I can pull it off, I think I got a pretty good handle on all the different